This is David WA9ONY. We're looking at an Endor 3 Pro printer. Just unpacked it. It comes as a set of parts. You can see here a diagram as an XY platform and then a Z axis that moves the print head. The print head takes this white plastic here. This is a PLA plastic. And then it melts that and lays that down. It's kind of like a hot glue gun that builds up an object on this platform here. Here are the rails to build the vertical structure. And then there's a spool that allows a larger roll of PLA filament to be mounted above the printer structure. We have a control panel back here and a power supply, power cord, stepper motors, some tie wraps, some rollers, a limit switch, and again brackets, screws, caps, there's a belt, then we have some tools that come. Coming back down here, we see the Z-axis stepper motor in the middle. There's the pieces that are used for the hot end where the filament is melted and shoved out to the platform. A tool to pry off the object from the bed. The screw here for the Z-axis and that vertical plastic protective case. I look forward to building this and then using it for projects and ham radio, electronics, and computers, and like the Raspberry Pi, and so forth. This is an exciting project. It will reduce my need for metal working like shears and brakes and milling machines. I'm really excited to have this in the ham shack. This is David, WA9ONY, 73 in QRT.